Hobby. 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 Hobby.
Something you enjoy doing in your free time.
Hobby. Hobby.
My favorite hobby is reading books.
Hobby. Interest. 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 Interest.
Something you are curious about or enjoy learning.
Interest. Interest.
I have an interest in photography and traveling.
Interest. Collect. 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 Collect.
To gather similar things as a hobby.
Collect. Collect.
I like to collect stamps from different countries.
Collect. Play. 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 Play.
To take part in an activity for fun or relaxation.
Play. Play.
I play the guitar in my free time.
Play. Camping. 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 Camping.
Spending time outdoors in a tent or camper.
Camping. Camping.
My family goes camping in the forest every summer.
Camping. Fishing. 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 Fishing.
Catching fish as a hobby or for food.
Fishing. Fishing.
I enjoy fishing at the lake with my grandfather.
Fishing. Hiking. 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 Hiking.
Walking in nature, usually in the mountains or forest.
Hiking. Hiking.
I go hiking on weekends to enjoy fresh air and exercise.
Hiking. Sports. 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 Sports.
Physical activities like soccer, basketball, or tennis.
Sports. Sports.
Playing sports is a fun way to stay healthy.
Sports. Music. 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 Music.
Sounds made with instruments or singing.
Music. Music.
I enjoy listening to music after school.
Music. Read. 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 Read.
To look at and understand written words.
Read. Read.
I read novels and magazines for fun.
Read. Travel. 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 Travel.
To visit new places for fun or learning.
Travel. Travel.
My hobby is traveling to different countries.
travel, garden, 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 garden,
To grow plants, flowers, or vegetables.
garden, garden,
My mother enjoys gardening in our backyard.
garden, exercise, 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 exercise,
Physical activity to stay fit.
exercise, exercise,
I exercise every day to feel healthy.
exercise, surfing, 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 surfing,
Riding waves in the ocean on a surfboard.
surfing, surfing,
Surfing is my favorite hobby when I visit the beach.
surfing, photography, 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 photography,
Taking pictures with a camera.
photography, photography,
I enjoy photography, especially taking nature photos.
photography, knit, 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 knit,
To make clothing or fabric with yarn.
knit, knit,
My grandmother likes to knit sweaters as a hobby.
knit, write, 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 write,
To create stories, poems, or journals.
write, write,
I write short stories in my free time.
write, play games, play games, play games, play games,
To do board games, computer games, or puzzles.
play games, play games,
I like to play board games with my family.
play games, craft, 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 craft,
To make creative things with your hands.
craft, craft,
My sister enjoys making crafts with paper and glue.
craft, origami, 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 origami,
The art of folding paper into shapes.
origami, origami,
I like making animals using origami paper.
origami,